Good morning, students. I'm back with your English class today. In my previous classes, I have taught you 3 poems, and I hope you have learnt those poems for your recitation and you have done all the back exercises in your notebooks also. Today, I am going to teach you the first chapter in your book, that is Reena the Magician. Reena is the name of a girl, a small child, and she turns out to be a magician, which we are going to see in this chapter how she becomes a magician. So I hope magician you all know. Magician is somebody who performs some magic tricks. So let's begin with the chapter. One day Reena was coming back home from school. On the way she saw a magician. So the story begins with the first scene when Reena is coming back from her school, and on the way on the road she sees that a magician is performing some tricks. Now this is the dialogue which the magician is speaking. Now I'll cover this glass of water with red cloth and say the magic words. So the magician is performing some trick. He has a glass of water in his hand and he is telling people what trick he is going to perform now. So he tells the people that now he will cover that glass of water with red cloth and then some magic is going to happen. Then the magician speaks some magical words. Butter and mallow, I am a good fellow. Good afternoon, showers. Give me some flowers. So the magician speaks the magic words. Butter and mallow, I am a good fellow. Afternoon showers, give me some flowers. And see what the magic happens. The glass of water turns into flowers. Instead of water in the glass, flowers come out of that glass, and all the people are very much amazed by this trick which the magician performed. People clap for him, they speak amazing. Children are also curious, how did he do it? They wanted to know, and even Reena was very happy. She said it was a wonderful trick. She was also amazed by the trick of the magician. So now Reena was also thrilled. She was also very excited to see the trick of the magician. She looked inside her bag and found some coins. So she searched some coins from her bag. She counted the coins. She had only 10 rupees. So she was keen to give the magician some money as a reward, and when she searched her bag she could find out only 10 rupees and she offered that money to the magician. She gave those 10 rupees to the magician and then she said something. What did she say? She said, please take this and teach me how to change water into flowers. So since she was very much excited with the magician's trick, she told the magician to take those 10 rupees and to teach her also the same trick. 10 rupees is not enough for that. Why do you want to learn the trick? So magician asked, he said that I can't teach you the trick for 10 rupees because 10 rupees is a less amount. But then he also asked Reena that why she wanted to learn that trick. What reply does Reena give now? My grandfather is sad. He never smiles. I'll show him this trick. I'm sure the flowers will make him smile. So, Reena tells the magician the actual thing why she wanted to learn the magic trick. She told him that her grandfather is very much sad. He never smiles. So, she wants to make her grandfather happy, and she was sure that this magic trick would help Reena make her grandfather happy. So now magician was little bit impressed by what Reena wanted to do, because Reena wanted to make her grandfather happy. So the magician agreed to teach Reena the magic trick. So now the magician is going to teach Reena the trick. He tells Reena, take a glass of water, cover it with a piece of red cloth, then close your eyes and say, Wait. So magician started teaching Reena the trick. He tells Reena that she should take a glass of water and cover it with a red cloth, and then she should close her eyes and speak some magic words. Now Reena tells the magician to wait. Why she told the magician to wait? Because she thought that she might forget the magic words, so she wanted to note those magic words. So she tells the magician, I must write the magic words or I'll forget. So that is why she asked the magician to wait, and then the magician speaks those magic words. Butter and mellow, I'm a good fellow. Afternoon showers, give me some flowers. So the magic words were butter and mellow, I'm a good fellow. Good afternoon showers, give me some flowers. So the magician told Reena that when she will speak those magic words, the water in the glass is going to change into flowers. So the magician tells Reena that after speaking those magic words, she should pull the cloth away and the glass will contain flowers now, and then she can shower those flowers on her grandfather and the grandfather will laugh. Reena was sure that she has learned the trick very nicely, and then she offers those 10 rupees to the magician and said thank you for teaching her the magic trick. Your grandfather's smile will be my reward. So the magician, he refused to take those 10 rupees and he told that when you will make your grandfather happy, his smile will be my reward. Okay, thank you very much. So Reena thanked the magician and then she went back to her house.